So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get Conquest points in Total Battle. So you can get Conquest points or CP in Total Battle by participating in CP runs, attacking other players' cities, and fighting during the Shadow Invasion event. So the best ways to get those, so the CP runs as I mentioned, so Conquest point runs. So you can join a specific organized clan by going to here to find a clan for you. Enter there where members in those clans, members will reinforce a designated tank player and launch coordinated attacks against an allied or opposing clan member. Temporary target to farm massive amounts of those conquest points. So you can also attack player cities. You can do that by going to the world map. And then you can choose to attack that specific city, and then you can get some rewards on there. So you can see your Shadow Invasion is also a possibility. So you can attack the Epic Shadow City during the Shadow Invasion event to earn steady conquest points and personal milestone rewards without actually violating regular kingdom rules. So these are some specific things that you can do. So once you've gotten all of that, you can then start farming those points. So just join a clan or do some other stuff that I mentioned here for you to be getting all those different conquest points, so you can then spend them on some other stuff that may interest you within your Total Battle game. So that's about it. That's how you can get conquest points. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Total Battle or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.